Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created for this video and these are the products that I used. So I received some new Missu Beauty Transfer Gel foils. So I've got the box 10 and box 11 here. So in this video I used box 10. So what I'm actually doing here is a infill on my flexi press tips that I have already applied to my nails. So I've filed off any lifting areas that might have occurred. I've placed down a layer of my base coat and I've cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going in with my Missu Beauty's gel strengthener. And again, just cure that for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Bare and apply that. Mainly the bulk of it I'm applying around the cuticle area, and I'm just sort of dragging the excess down the nail just so that I get an even finish on that nail there. So this is how I would do an infill on the flexi press tips. They've been on for a couple of weeks now, so make sure that I just apply it to the edge of the nail there and I cure it for 60 seconds. So then I file around the cuticle area to make sure again that it's nice and flush with the nail, so there will be no lift in there, and I use my e-file for that. And then I buff the nails ready for application. So I'm going in with my 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Carlotta, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not entirely sure. So I just apply that to my nail and I cure that for 30 seconds. Then I go in with a second coat, cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So then with Miss Sweet 05, I just go in and I apply 2 coats of that gel polish, curing each coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So then in this shade, in the 4-in-1 gel polish and my very fine detail brush, I just do a little bit of nail art over this nail, curing it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and apply that to the nail and cure it for 60 seconds. So on my forefinger I went in again with Miss Sweet 05 and applied 2 coats of this gel polish, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then here are the foils that I used with this one. I used the box foils number 10. Really cute pattern. As you can see why I chose these colours, because they're obviously on the foil and I really like them. So I just cut off a square that I wanted to use. Then I used the Missu Beauty Foil Transfer Gel and applied that to my nail, cured that for 30 seconds, and then I applied the foil to my nail. As you can see, the first attempt that I did and was a bit of a fail, and also I do apologise for my camera wobbling there. I'd sort of knocked it with my hand. So yeah, my first attempt was a complete and utter fail, but I got there in the end. So you just apply pressure and rub the foil off the paper onto your nail. Then with my sugar coating 06, I just filled in some gaps because I just quite like the idea of applying a little bit of glitter to that nail, just make the pattern pop a little bit more. And then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. So on my middle finger I went for a little bit of a chrome design. I used Miss Sunshine 04. It's like a peachy orangey colour, it's really pretty. So I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and applied 2 coats of that. And then what I did is I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, applied a layer of that to the nail, and then I applied my Missu Beauty's Mirror Chrome powder to that nail to create that chrome effect. So before I applied the chrome powder to this nail, I actually cured the top coat in the LED lamp for about 40 seconds, 40 to 50 seconds, and then I applied the chrome powder. And I actually applied the chrome powder twice. So once I did this layer, I applied a coat of top coat again, cured it, and then I applied some more of the chrome powder just to make sure that I covered the nail completely. And then I applied more top coat. So then I used some more foils on my ring finger, and again I used Miss Sunshine 04, applied 2 coats of this, curing each coat for 30 seconds, and then I applied Missu Beauty's non-wipe UV gel top coat, but I used the matte top coat just to create a different effect, and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my foil transfer gel and again cured that for 30 seconds before actually applying the foil to my nail. Just rubbed the pattern on the nail and then pulled off the foil and the pattern appeared. And then I filled in the gaps because there was a few little gaps because I'm still not quite used to these foils. So I just used the black 4-in-1 gel polish just to fill in the black gaps there. And on my little finger I used Miss Sweet and Miss Sunshine together to create an ombre effect. Then I just applied it to one side of the nail, then Miss Sunshine to the other side, and then I went down the middle of the nail just to blend those colours together. Cured for 30 seconds and then went in with a second coat of that. And after curing that, I then applied some matte top coat to those nails. and I went in with a little bit of nail art using the foils once again. And this is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed my video this week, guys. I really appreciate all of your support. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up as always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I will leave links to all the items in the description box below, and don't forget I do have a fabulous discount code for you all to take advantage of. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.